Holy moly, y'all. I've got a brand new floor plan from Forest River, and not just any Forest River product. This is the Alpha Wolf Forest River product, the premium of the premiums. Come check out this 24 trunk with me. So at Cliff Jones, we have like so many bunkhouse models. We have options where it's an open kind of bunkhouse. We have private room bunkhouses. Hey, we even have rooms with a spare bed in it, but this is the first I've seen where you can actually take these bunks out. So, hey, if you want the option of bunks, you got it. The full size that'll fit adults, kids, room to grow, or hey, man, maybe you want this extra area to be an office space. It's not a problem at all because with an easy pull out, you can actually take all of these out right here to where you have this giant space for extra whatever. Or hey, if you need the bunks, you got it. You got kids right now, no kids later. You got the bunks now, take them out later. That is just such an awesome idea. I have not seen that on any of these other models we got. So I can now pretty much say we have every kind of bunkhouse model available. So you need a great deal on a bunkhouse? Cliff Jones RV. But besides that, this unit has a great bathroom setup as well. Just look at all this walking space. And me, 6 foot tall, broad shoulder. Hey, I wrestled in high school. I have plenty of room in the shower. You have plenty of countertop space in this bath. It's phenomenal. And besides the residential look and all this space, you get this great large slide in here to give you this chilly style dinette. So hey, the whole family can wrap around. Or hey, if you want to get rid of those bunks and you just want to convert this into a sleeping space, this will convert into a sleeping space. You also have more storage underneath, which is phenomenal. And I love how they put this dinette comfortably right in front of your TV setup right here. So you can enjoy this TV that includes, it comes right with the model. You get cable satellite, the furnace right in front, besides having a cool fire lighting. It heats up 20 degrees more than the outside air alone. And behind the TV, phenomenal space here to store whatever you would like. You also get a built-in vac system. Hey, kick it up, sweep it in, I'll suck it in, or get the hose right there. Makes cleaning an absolute breeze, and you don't have to bring any extra equipment. And I love the extra addition of these little coat hangers right here. Coat closet, storage closet, whatever you'd like. And it's comfortably seated right here so you can watch TV, you can cook, you can look out the window at your adventure. Got a full oven right here. Got a 3 stovetop burner. They give you tons of countertop space. It's solid surface too. They give you deep residential sink, a few extra little accessories for you. The awesome cup cleaner. I need that for my own house right there. And hey, we're on a premium model here. It's like a home away from home. So why go around pushing all these push buttons when you have nice light switches going around? You even have dimming switches. By the way, this is the bedroom light switch. So if you want a great demo on it, come check this out. This is the master bedroom. And as I was saying, you have light switches, you have a dimming switch, you can set the mood. You get a great front window access right here. Or hey, block it out if you don't want to see your adventure. But if you want to wake up to the beauty of the outside, you have that option. You get this great queen size bed. There's easy access from both sides. You can easily move around. And look at that, they even put more storage under. And I love how they have the hydraulics holding it up. So hey, it's easy on your back. It's easy to lift it up. Anyone can do this. You also get cable set up in here. So hey, ask one of our great technicians here. We have a full service and parts department at Cliff Jones. We can get you a TV set up right here. We have a parts department with everything available. But besides the TVs, we've talked enough. Look at the great storage they put on here. This is your closet space on the side. It's so deep and it's so tall too. You won't have clothes hanging. It's phenomenal right here. All right, folks, let's go check out a little bit more. This 24 trunk, it's a masterclass in build. It's a beautiful build. It's a beautiful color. And besides that, you get the fiberglass build. So it's a lighter weight unit. It's a little bit stronger. Hey, hell, you have nothing on me. You got a great model right here. You get powered tongue jacks. You get powered stabilizer. They give you so much storage options. You get storage going through here. It's full pass-through, by the way, and they did include light switches. You still have those. You get more storage on the other side, which is phenomenal. And hey, right underneath your awning, you got your trusty leash lash right here for your best friend while you're cooking on your grill, while you're taking an ice cold lemonade out of your brand new fridge. Besides that, hey, dual axle, they don't skip anywhere. And you know what? Going back to that hydraulic thing, this is so small, but I think this is a great feature. These steps are so light. It's just so easy to lift up. You know, I'm left-handed too, by the way. I'm totally not lying about that. But anyone can do it. It's not back-breaking. This is a camper you can just sit down and enjoy your experience. And look at that. They don't stop. There's just so much outdoor storage. And I'd like to mention again, if you need a backup camera added to this, we have an immaculate service and parts department. We keep everything in stock, and our service technicians would love to help you install any extra accessories you need and get you out on the road all set and ready to camp. Come find us today at Cliff Jones RV for the best deals on RVs, tractors, mowers, power sports, and all of Texas. Thank you. Have a great Friday.